Hey guys, got Level here, and today I'm going to show you how to get this voice,
and that voice,
and this voice, and that voice, and this voice, and that voice,
and this voice too.
Okay, you probably figured out by now that this is a voice mod tutorial. I'm going to show you how to get a voice mod and modify your voice on stream or off stream for your YouTube videos, or just when you're playing games, or just when you're Skyping with your parents. I am mostly going to show you what you get for free. There is a pro version to the app, but what we're going to be checking out today is completely free. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go to voicemod.net, and from there we're going to download the latest version of the software. So they say here, Voicemod is the best free voice changer and soundboard software for Windows. Scroll down a little bit. They actually show you a couple of videos that uses the software if you want to see what it sounds like, or a real life application. All right, we're going to scroll all the way down, and we're going to click download now. So it's downloading. It's 22 megabytes. At least the setup file, and apparently they also have mobile apps. I will have to check those out. Anyways, when the download is complete, you just click on the setup file that you just downloaded, open it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and install that. Okay, will you please let me choose where I want to install it? Oh my god, I hate when I have. Please, what is this thing with 2020? That's just like everyone has a setup with an SSD with Windows on it. We don't necessarily want to install all the programs on the SSD. Give us the what is going on? Why do all software do that? Is this like a weird plot for companies to sell like bigger SSDs? Is that what's going on? So you're forcing us to install something on the C drive. This is my first time trying this thing, but this, like, you lose points when you do that. Like I really hate when software do that. Maybe it's necessary and I'm just an idiot and I don't understand how it works, but please let us choose where to install this thing. Okay, cool. So it opened up, and this is where you would choose which mic you're using. I'm currently using this mic, so it's going to be microphone 3, USB audio codec. I'm going to click next. We have detected a problem with your audio configuration. Okay. Open sounds preferences, control panel, go to the record tab. I'm not sure what the issue is. So open sound preferences. Okay, so that's why they need to install it on C's, because I don't know, they have to modify things in your Windows directory. Okay, so in the record tab, I need to enable Voicemod virtual audio device. Right there. Okay. Enable, and then click OK. All right. I have so many microphones going on at the same time. Test, test, test. Okay, we're still good. And then click done. So this is gonna be my input. Oh, but wait, I need to put my headset for that. Okay, so basically right now I just need to set my output. So where I want the sound to play on. Okay, so if you're streaming and you want to hear everything in your headset, this is where you would select your headset. In my specific case, it's going to be speakers. I have a weird configuration. Yours, just choose your headset here, okay? And set it as a default device. Let's click next. Open your favorite communication app, go to settings, look for audio section, set voice mod, blah, blah, blah. Set your headphone as output device. You're all set, okay? And basically, instead of selecting my mic, I'm going to find another. You're probably not going to hear me while I do this, but I'm going to select the virtual audio that they have. Let me see if I can show you the settings. If I go to properties, and here, instead of my USB microphone, I'm going to select Voicemod virtual audio device, Voicemod. Test, test, test. Seems to be working. So I select, as you can see here in OBS, I actually selected Voicemod virtual audio device, and now you're hearing me from there. Basically, my mic is passing through it. I think there's a slight delay, but I'm not completely sure. There might be a slight delay. I'm really not. But let's try it out. So now technically everything that you hear is actually coming from there, the voice mod. What I want to do is be able to monitor what's going on. So I'm going to mute my desktop audio so you don't hear me twice, but I want to be able to hear myself. And there's an option right there. I can see it. Right there, hear my voice. Test. So you can hear me and I can hear myself. So I know which effect and what they sound like, and I can give you a reaction at the same time. What are those tabs? Here you have the effects. Here you will have new voice changes every day. New voices change every day. Okay, it's a pro feature. Okay. Meme sound machine. I guess that's the soundboard. And then, of course, the options, and then that's the pro. Okay. Let's try let's try the mods. So for the free voices, you have all of that. And then for the rest, if you go pro, I'm guessing there's a paid version. You can get all of that. Oh my God. That's a lot. But it's already cool that you have all of that for free. Let's test baby.
Testing. Oh my God, I sound like a baby. Hey, baby get level here. Welcome to my channel.
All right, that was interesting. Let's check out blocks.
Hello? Oh my God. Hello? This is my voice on blocks. Blocks is the sound effect that I'm testing right now. Okay, stop it.
Stop it. Okay, wow. All right. Let's test out cave. I'm guessing it's going to be a ton of reverb.
Hello? Hello?
At the bottom here, I see something that's called ambient effects, and it shows up when I click cave. So let's test it out.
Hello?
You can hear water. So there's like sound effects that go with the voice changer. Pretty cool. All right, let's try out magic chords.
Hello? Testing. 1, 2, 3. This is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I'm having way too much fun with this. Pretty clear too. Nice.
Hey, police bot.
Halt. You have broken the law. Oh, it's RoboCop. Oh, that's so cool. My friends call me Murphy, but you call me RoboCop. Okay, sorry.
All right, most of you haven't even seen RoboCop. It's not the old one. Titan, I'm guessing that's like Thanos.
All this for a drop of clout. Like a demon voice. Hi. I like unicorns. Unicorns and hearts. I like everything that's cute. Like cute stuff. Let's try the ambient effect. That's pretty cool. It's like ambient music. I hope there's no copyright issue with that. Okay.
Share to win. I don't know what that is. I'm going to click on it. Oh, if you share Voicemod, you get extra voices. That's a pretty cool system. All right, let's check out the options real quick and see what they're all about. I see like a little settings here. So reduce background noise. So I'm guessing if your mic already has background noise, this will help out. Nice. And then of course, there's the volume of the voices and your mic. I'm guessing you can mute your mic. Yeah, that was muting the mic. What is that? Oh, you can yourself. You can in your I'm not used to it. I'm guessing you can probably add a shortcut to that. I've seen people with stream decks. If you have a stream deck, you can actually find a button for that. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to do that with Touch Portal since I don't own a stream deck. And what is that? Oh,
it's a randomizer. It just picks a random voice and you click again. Yeah, that's exactly what it does. It just randomizes the voices.
I think that's it. So technically, if you want to use it in Skype and via chat and whatever game you're playing, you just need to go and select the correct source. And the correct source is going to be named Voicemod Virtual Audio Device. So if you go in Skype, you want to pick which microphone to use, this is what you're going to pick. And that's pretty much it. That's the basics. That's all the voices that you get for free. And I think it's pretty cool. It's completely free for what we tested today. And if you want to change voices, or if that's really part of your scheme, your stream, your content, you can go for the pro version. I wonder how much it costs. I didn't check that. Let's click on Get Voicemod Pro. There is a limited offer right now. I don't know if you're gonna get it. This video is not gonna be up in 43 minutes, but you can either pay $5 for 3 months, euros for 1 year, or 14 or 15 euros for a lifetime. That's worth it for the lifetime. I really like software that is still lifetime. I know companies are really up in that subscription thing. It's the new model plan to make money off of you forever, but I love that we have the option to just buy it and then own it. And it's cool that apparently they are adding new voices to the library as time goes on. So that's pretty cool. It's not just going to be what you have. You're not going to stay with it. You're going to get new voices. So that makes it even more exciting, I'd say. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Unless there are technical issues that you're encountering with Voicemod. My Voicemod is not working. I don't work for Voicemod, so you should probably ask them. Go to their website, find their Twitter or whatever. I don't work for them. I didn't make Voicemod, so I wouldn't know how to fix your issue. If you're looking for some cool overlays to make your Twitch channel look dope, you can go to gumroad.com/getlevel. I often put out free stuff over there and also paid stuff, but never expensive stuff. I think the maximum price over there is like $5, and then the lower price, which is most of the overlays, is like 99 cents. So check that out. Other than that, follow me on social media. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, especially if you watch multiple of my videos. By now you should be a subscriber. Okay, I'm just saying. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching my video. Go out there, make me proud with all your weird voices. Get level out.